Okay, guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video review day. We're done learning everything we've kind of need to learn about Rome. Excuse me. So I set up these flashcards for you. Now I'm just gonna be very blunt with you guys. You're gonna want to look at the flashcards for this unit. A little bit longer test, obviously Rome being a major civilization. There's a little more detail involved. So with that, more detail equals more quiz questions. Which means I guess the review is going to be a little bit longer itself, but I'm streamlining it here for you guys. I've kind of taken, if you've had me before, you guys kind of know what I do with the categories and kind of our little grids and you kind of just jot down stuff. I basically just took each one of those terms or categories and just threw them on to a flashcard. So 19 flashcards. I believe there's like 20 or 21 quiz questions. So each one of these will be, a topic of discussion on the quiz. So all you do is click on it, kind of go through it. Like I said, each one of these will kind of help you out. You can go through it as much as you want. It's not an assignment per se, but like I said, kind of what I always say, do the work now, get rewarded later. So kind of, really grind it out today. Look at the flashcards a lot. Look at your notes a lot. If you have any questions, let me know. Email me. We can always chit-chat about stuff. But definitely the flashcards will help you out if you take your time and kind of study seriously about them. But besides that, guys, that's it. Tomorrow we'll have our quiz. It'll go live at like 8:15 or something like that. 8 o'clock, 8:15. It'll go live for everybody, and you'll be able to take it up until I think it closes at 3 o'clock. So you have between the hours of 8 o'clock, 8:15 until 3 o'clock to take it. Doesn't matter when you take it. Just make sure you're prepared. And again, you can use all notes and stuff on it as well. So that's that, guys. Have a good day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for quiz day.